Hey, welcome to Quizzer Sensei. Let's challenge your decision-making skills in today's video. Would you rather Extreme Edition? Sensei has prepared 50 questions, and you have 7 seconds to answer them. If you're ready, hit the subscribe button for more fun games like this. Let's start now. What kind of swimming pool do you want? Would you like to go bungee jumping or skydiving? Pick your favorite toilet: unicorn, minion, or Darth Vader. Explore the ocean or space? Pick a ball pit for your house. Would you rather smashed finger or cut finger? What kind of playground do you want at your house? Have all the power in the world or all the knowledge in the world? Pick just one: a tennis court, a skate ramp, or a soccer field. Live in a world full of adventures or live in a safe world? What sort of pond do you want? Be lost in a dark forest or be lost in a haunted house? Pick a bedroom theme: chocolate, French fries, or cheese. Have an exciting life in hell or have a peaceful life in heaven? Pick a bedroom theme. Lose 20% of your IQ or 40% of your wealth? How should your house's porch look? Talk to the dead or see the future? Where should your house be? On the beach, in the countryside, or in a fancy area? Do you want to know all the biggest secrets of every government or witness Jesus? Pick a bathtub for your house. Have Batman's Batmobile or comment on your dream car? Choose a mirror for your bathroom. Do you prefer to raise fish or a lizard? What kind of home office do you want? Would you rather luxury RV or luxury tent? Watch a sauce. Pick a wall of plants for your house. Would you rather home office or home library? What kind of pet do you want? Would you rather soundproof room or climate control? How should the doghouse look? Would you rather VR sports or VR concerts? Pick a chair for gaming. Would you rather private island or city penthouse? What kind of kitchen do you want? Would you rather high-speed internet or clean energy? Choose a guard dog for your house. Would you rather interactive mirror or fashion consultant? Pick a place for your barbecues. Would you rather self-flying drone or self-driving car? What type of home movie room do you want? Would you rather luxury treehouse or mountain retreat? No? How should your balcony look? Would you rather this luxury car or this luxury car? What kind of game room do you want? Would you rather perfect weather control or perfect indoor climate? How should your driveway look? Would you rather luxury home gym or luxury spa? Pick a garage with your favorite cars. Would you rather this apartment or this apartment? Stop this burning train or save this cat? Go on this ride or go down this slide. Use these toilets or use those toilets. Go into this ball pit or this giant bouncy castle. Choose a comfy sofa. Walk through this tunnel or be stuck in an elevator. Never be angry again or never be sad again. Climb a mountain or go bungee jumping. Lose a nail or lose a tooth. What kind of bathroom do you want? Walk backwards forever or always walk barefoot. Have no one attend your wedding or your funeral. Be able to teleport or control time. Go to school in this car or on this bike. Pick a shower for relaxing baths. Explore space or the depths of the ocean. Walk on a tightrope or on hot coals. Be stuck in Call of Duty or Fortnite. Take this elevator or take that one. How should your living room look? See a dinosaur or see an alien? Visit hell or visit heaven? Win a Nobel Prize or win a gold medal at the Olympics? Have these eyebrows or have these nails? What kind of dining room do you want? Would you rather sacrifice your reputation to expose a scandal or keep silent to protect yourself? Would you rather save a historic landmark from destruction or use the land for vital infrastructure? Would you rather forgive a loved one's betrayal or seek vengeance? Would you rather sacrifice your social life for academic success or maintain friendships at the risk of failure? What type of windows do you like? Would you rather donate a life-saving organ to a stranger or keep it for yourself? Would you rather sacrifice your principles for a lucrative deal or stand firm and risk financial ruin? Would you rather save a beloved pet from a painful illness or let nature take its course? Reveal a dark secret that could hurt someone you love or bury it forever? Pick some colors for the outside of your house. Would you rather save a close friend from a toxic relationship or let them learn from their mistakes? Would you rather live in a world without art or without technology? Worsende. Would you rather sacrifice your privacy for a chance to live forever or remain mortal with anonymity? Would you rather save your hometown from a natural disaster or your childhood memories from being erased? How do you want to light up your house? Would you rather sacrifice your career for a chance to change the world or achieve personal success without making a difference? Would you rather save your country from a corrupt government or flee to safety and avoid involvement? Would you rather expose a loved one's dark secret for their own good or keep it to protect their reputation? Would you rather sacrifice your personal happiness for the greater good or prioritize your own well-being? Choose your indoor garden. Would you rather be loved by many but never truly known or be known by few but deeply loved? Would you rather sacrifice your lifelong dream for a loved one's happiness or pursue it and risk their disappointment? Would you rather save your own future from uncertainty or sacrifice it to secure a better outcome for others? Ayan. Would you rather save the life of a stranger or the life of someone you deeply admire? Pick a jacuzzi for massages. Would you rather break your nose or lose a tooth? Find a snake in your toilet or have a spider on your face while you sleep. Would you rather be allergic to your pets or be allergic to your favorite food? Bite your tongue or stub your toe on a table? Would you rather pee your pants once a day or poop your pants once a week? Your shees. Share a lollipop or chew a piece of gum you found on the ground? Would you rather lose internet access forever or lose a leg? Have everyone read your messages or have everyone see your photos? Would you rather be chased by these clowns or be chased by these zombies? What do you want on your roof? Would you rather wear the same clothes for a year or have people read your thoughts? Listen to metal for 2 hours or listen to a baby cry for 2 hours? Would you rather live without music or live without movies? Kiss this guy or like the video? Would you rather have rocks in your shoe or step on Legos? Always have a slow internet connection or always get stuck at red lights? Would you rather have no body hair or have way too much body hair? Always speak in song or always speak in rap yan osa? Would you rather have more time or more money? What kind of floors do you want? Would you rather give up Instagram for a month or give up TikTok for a month? Eat that or fight him? Would you rather marry a stranger or marry your sibling? Pick a cool front door. Choose a coffee table. Congratulations, friends! You have successfully completed this quiz. How many did you guess? Leave a comment. I'll definitely check it out. And before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and select the next video to continue.